Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I'm going to try something for the very first time and I'm going to do it on film for your enjoyment and hopefully I might make it. I don't know. It's called, a lot of people call it the pull string method, where you put a piece of string into gel polish and try to get a beautiful pattern out of it. I just have a white nail. I've already set up on a little piece of plastic, a string. I have it soaking in the gel polish. I have Model 1s, Dancing with Me, Exotic Birds, and Macaron Blue. I'll put the link to this set down below if you would like. And we'll just see if, I decided to pick 3 bright colors just to see if I could really do this. This is actually about 4 strings. It's just a piece off of an old towel I had that I cut off the string. I was trying to find something to use for this. My usual strings that I used on my Christmas nails was too short. I couldn't handle it. Because once I put it in the gel, there was nothing left, and you don't want to touch gel, right? So let's put that out of the way. I'm going to try for my first time. You're supposed to lay it down and drag it into some kind of cool, almost like water marble kind of a thing. And we'll just see. I'm not getting this side sticking down, so I'm just going to use something to touch it down with. Let's see if I can get some kind of cool pull pattern with this. Not very great. It lifted off. Let me put my string back in my gel, clean this off real quick. Seems like most people are having the hardest time with getting plenty of color on their string, and I seem to be having a hard time with getting it to stay on the nail. So let's try round number 2. Now my colors are like mixed up on the canvas as well. This is a lot harder than it looks. I don't even know if I have the right thickness of string. I'm just having a hard time getting it to stay on the nail. This is a collaboration video. I'm not sure who all's doing videos, but there will be a collage made up. It's kind of an Instagram, Facebook kind of challenge thing, but a few are probably doing videos. I'm just not getting enough on this string either. I thought using a thicker string might help. It's not helping very much. Maybe I can salvage it. I missed my regular canvas, but I figured with the string it was going to be hard to pull it through with sides on it, and I got a bump on it. Let's try where I left off. Well, that's a funky look. I got a lot of green going on there. I like that. So I'm going to give that one a cure, and then I want to try something else. Figured I'm going to try a little base coat. I've seen a couple of people try wet base coat. I'm going to give that a try, see if that helps me. So like I said, there may be more videos posted today. I know at least one is going to post a video. I'm not sure who else. But if not, there's going to be pictures of everybody's work at the end of the video, because videos were optional. Okay, try this again. At least my colors look good together. I'm gonna try without bending it around and just twisting. Ooh-wee. I like that a lot better. I like the little green that I made off the side. I like this one. Some stamping over it would really tie this in. Let me give this a cure. I'm gonna try one more version. I'm gonna try it with clear blossom gel. This is from Aimeili. I purchased this off of Amazon. So you know, blossom gels, we don't cure them either. So let's see if there's a difference in the blossom gel than the base gel. Okay, let's see. Get my string thoroughly covered in gel. I pull it to the side so I got it mixed a little bit. But maybe that'll help me, right? I want to kind of try to twist it off. I think this is making me lift it up. Yep. Oh, it's blooming out. That's pretty cool. Just want a little bit more color in it. And I made a royal mess. Okay, I wiped off my string with some alcohol, just because I figured that was getting in the way. Roll my string into the gel, get it all thoroughly coated. Pick it up, put it down, and see what kind of beautiful swipes we can get. Ooh, I like that one. That's my favorite so far. I'm gonna give these all a cure and a top coat. I'll put the pictures up at the end, and if I get the pictures from the others that are participating, I'll put the pictures at the end of the video for you. Thank you everyone for watching today. Have a great day. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.